We turn now to that breaking news out of the Supreme Court and the major implications it has on the Voting Rights Act. ABC's Christian Cordero has the latest.
In a case with potentially major implications for America's elections, today the Supreme Court ruled to limit a key part of the Voting Rights Act. The 6-3 decision fell along ideological lines. The court's conservative majority struck down a Louisiana congressional map that was drawn to address the diluted influence of racial minority voters. Lower courts recognized Louisiana only had one majority black voting district of its 6 statewide, despite its voting age population representing more than a third of its state. Those courts then ordered the state to add a second majority black district. Justice Samuel Alito wrote the highest court's opinion issued today and said that process relied explicitly and unconstitutionally on race.
This is a ruling that almost completely constitutionalizes a color blindness principle to the point that even race-conscious remedies designed to remedy racial discrimination are unconstitutional.
Race has long been unconstitutional as a primary tool in drawing congressional maps, but for decades, Section 2 of the Voting Rights Act was used as a guardrail against attempts to dilute the influence of voters of color. During oral arguments last fall, the justices were critical of that practice continuing indefinitely.
This court's cases in a variety of contexts have said that race-based remedies are permissible for a period of time, but that they should not be indefinite and should have an end point.
In her dissent, Justice Elena Kagan warned if other states follow Louisiana's lead, minority citizens will no longer have an equal opportunity to elect candidates of their choice. Christian Cordero, ABC News, Washington.
New York State Attorney General Tish James disappointed by the decision, saying in part, quote, "The Voting Rights Act was born from the bloodshed on the Edmund Pettus Bridge and the courage of those who marched in Selma for the right to vote. Today's decision dishonors that legacy."